We look after elderly people who range from different care needs, from residential to continuing care to nursing care needs. So there's a whole variety of different people that we look after, and many of whom have dementia as well. Training is a fundamental part of life here at Hengoed Court and Hengoed Park. We look at from levels 2 up to 5 in health and social care, and we have all of our catering staff who are on either their 2 or 3 food safety courses. For many people who work here, school hasn't been a great experience, and vocational training is something that really does bridge that gap for learners, where it is far more accessible. It's not always about a pen and a paper, but it's about being assessed on the job. So our aim about 3 years ago was to get 100% of our staff a vocational qualification, and with the commitment and the support of our local providers, we're around about the 70% mark now, so we're steaming ahead on that, so we're really thrilled and delighted about that.